There's this. There's this. And the last one. Take this off. And it feels really nice. And you could like switch
It
them.
helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
And yeah, the fishes can swim through. And yeah. And this one has like a lot of shells. And
Grab me that other bag, Elliot.
there. And little fish and it glows. So black ones don't glow though. So you get blue LED. Okay.
That enough? Yeah. Want a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay, we have one more bag.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Okay, here, grab me the other bag, okay?
Goodbye, Ben. Hey, next one.
Power. There's no power.
And then I got this. And it has a thing, so you can like there onto the fish tank.
We have again. We're gonna have.
Good? Yep. Use the other net. Use the little one. Flip them upside down.
I did.
Put them in the water.
Are you recording? Oh. This.
It's not that big of a tank, right?
Oh, can I put this there?
Yep.
Even like right here?
I don't know about that. This is supposed to go under and stick to the bottom. Or, does this stick to the side?
Oh yeah, good.
Just sticks to the side.
It just okay.
Get the fish that glows too.
Go on? Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Okay, so here, let's go in this. time. Because if you just leave it hanging like this, everything just floats right back out. Well, it's just Marcus, come here.
We just bought the fish. Yeah.
Hold it like this and pour them in like this, okay? Drop them.
Wow.
Fishies, they're in the water. I see it. Oh gosh, I like the rich. Yellow one. I like. Where's the red one? I like the green. Where's the green? Oh, there's
Where
a yellow.
is it?
Oh, look, it's looking in the reflection.
The yellow. Where's the other
I'm
one?
gonna be hiding for a little while.
You see the other one?
I don't see.
Oh, the blue one's back there and the pink one.
Oh, the green.
Oh, they're all,
I
like,
saw
back
green. Where's the pink one?
Oh, see, look. Wait.
Oh, the pink. Oh, yellow. There you go.
I see the yellow one over here.
See one.
Oh, yeah. The yellow one. What?
We didn't hear what garlic.
Yellow.
Real garlic, I guess.
You want to go down? There's even green. Wait, where's the green one right back there? Oh. Pink. Yellow. Yeah, yellow's not scared.
Ran one for 10, Patterson one for 12, Gainwell, and the 1-yard run got the first down and put it on the quarterback sneak by Hurts. 7-0 Eagles, clock at 10:09 in the first. This is Rusty One's coverage at the Super Bowl. Nice night, Rob. This is one turkey obstacle course. Sticking to healthy habits in this kitchen is going to take focus and determination. He's reaching. They all got delicious looking ice cookies.